Hi friends, I've lived out here a long time, but I'm a storm chaser. I follow storms and kind of fearless with all that, but this is the most unique thing. It's on its setting, but I gotta show you. I have never seen a kind of storm here, and I've already witnessed the lightning coming from here and the thunder cart, the thunder, you can hear. Okay, and look at these cloud formations here. This is not usually normal, okay? Not normal. And it's already starting to rain, but I've never seen it happen like this. Never seen this formation like this. And then we have here the sun getting ready to set. But I've never seen this thick cloud. Oops, did you see that? Little lightning over here? Let's see if we can catch a lightning strike. Yeah, Mother Nature is speaking. Yeah, I've never seen this before. I don't even know weather pattern wise what meteorologists call this phenomena. Okay, lightning, okay, lightning's coming from the southern exposure region over there. Yeah, this is pretty freaky. I'd go downstairs, but now with the lightning, no way. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna set it down, but look at these colors. I mean, whoa, did you see that? See if we can catch a lightning strike before I shut down. Okay, now you can see the rain. Can you see the rain? Let's see if the pool, you can see, yeah, the sprinkles in the pool. Now we're drizzling. Oh, we're going to see a rainbow. I know it's coming. Let me see if I can catch that lightning strike, though. Because where there be thunder, there be lightning. Look how beautiful. This is Mother Nature. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at these drops of rain. So lovely. But I can tell something's a brewing. I'll just try to hold it here for a few more seconds here and see if we can catch a strike of lightning. This is called dynamic stuff, people. Look at that. Very cool. Okay, well, nothing's going on right now, but I guess I'll shut it down. Alrighty, I'll take some pictures after the rain, but look how pretty the rain is. You can see in the pool. You can see the drops. So pretty, and it feels so lovely. You can tell the atmosphere has already just, when these rains come through here in Florida. We got a little pelican flying by. Oh, little seagull, rather. Okay, my friends. face in there with a big nose. I really wanted to catch that lightning strike. Here we go, a rainbow! I knew a rainbow would come. I knew it. Because this is, now I haven't seen these cloud formations ever, but I knew there'd be rainbow, and I know there's going to be a double rainbow. I know it. But I'm getting rained on here. Look, the wolf, did you see that? There's the lightning. Okay, there's the rainbow. I'll try to come up. Oh, there's lightning over there. I just saw this. Okay. And sometimes with lightning, you can see it out of the corner of your eye. There's the rainbow already. Beautiful. Okay, my friends. Well, I'm going to shut down because the water now, the wind is coming through, and I'm getting wet on the balcony. But I will continue to, just kind of film when I can. But I really did want to, I don't know, for me, these lightning strikes are brilliant. They're just like something out of something. Okay, the rainbows are ready dying down. Okay, and the winds are coming through. I'm going to shut down, but whatever I can take a photo of, I will. Okay. Talk to you soon. Ciao.